Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set a changing wallpaper on Samsung phone lock screen. So if you want your wallpaper to change each time your Samsung phone screen is locked, to change from one picture to the other depending on the number of pictures you selected up to 15, then this is what you need to do. So if at the end of this you found this open informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to set a changing wallpaper on Samsung, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on wallpaper and style. Now, you can either adjust the lock screen wallpaper or start with changing wallpaper to select new set of wallpapers. So in this case, click on change wallpapers. Go ahead and click on gallery. Under gallery, you want to go ahead and select the wallpaper you want to change to on your Samsung Galaxy device. So you can just go ahead and select the wallpaper you want to use as a changing wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So you can select up to 15 different wallpapers like that, and then click on done at top right. Once you selected done, then you want to hang on a couple of seconds, and now this is what you're going to have. You're going to have a variety of wallpapers like this. Now if you click on items, you have the total number of photos you've selected. Now click on this plus button to add to the photos you've selected or remove from the photos you've selected. Click on done. And now after that, in some cases you'll be prompted to choose how you want the wallpaper to appear. Maybe you want to tap the screen, you want to press the side button for the wallpaper to change. After that, go ahead and click on done. Once you hit the done button at top right, you want to hang on to say changes applied to lock screen. Now, once you have these changes to apply to lock screen, go ahead and lock your Samsung phone by pressing the power button or double tap the screen, and then this is what you're going to have. So each time your Samsung phone screen is locked and is unlocked, it's going to change the wallpaper for you just like this. You see that? So basically, this is how you can set a changing lock screen wallpaper on Samsung. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.